Video script. Welcome to Cracking the Code to Affiliate Marketing Success, Insider Tips and Strategies. Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to work from anywhere in the world? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success, giving you the insider tips and strategies you need to start making real money today. Affiliate marketing is a powerful business model that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. But how do you crack the code to success in this competitive industry? Firstly, it's crucial to choose the right niche. Find something you're passionate about and that has a growing demand. This will make it easier to attract the right audience and generate sales. Next, build a high-converting website or blog. Your website should not only be visually appealing, but also easy to navigate. Provide valuable content and place strategically located affiliate links throughout your site to maximize conversions. Another key strategy is to create engaging content that drives traffic. Whether it's in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media updates, provide valuable information and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. But it doesn't stop there. To truly crack the code to affiliate marketing success, you must master the art of effective promotion. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and SEO strategies to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of earning commissions. In addition, don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your business. Join relevant courses, attend conferences, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can help you grow and stay ahead of the game. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success? Follow these insider tips and strategies, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom and a successful online business. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Together, we can unlock the code to affiliate marketing success.